Hello guys, Adam's Matt back here, and so today we're going to be unboxing my dad's new desk lamp that I got for like $10. So here it is. It's just got some basic information. Here are features. So now we're going to dig into it. Sorry I can't show the whole thing. It's just not the easiest thing to show. And then we've got our box contents here. We've got our cable here, which will come in handy soon. We'll also be comparing it to this desk lamp. And we're just going to set that to the side. Here we've got our actual lamp. Whoa, it's kind of cool how it adjusts. Like right, I can adjust like this. This is also a wireless charger too. This is the actual light itself. So now we're going to plug it in. This is obviously white plastic compared to this black aluminum thing. Hang on, I'm just going to try to get it fully adjusted. And plugged in. I'm just going to plug my lamp in differently. And there we go, we've got both of our lights plugged in. I'm going to see if I can adjust this. My camera view now, so that way we can all see this really cool light. And there we go. It folds. So now we're going to turn it. Now we're going to turn the lamp on. It is very bright. Appears we cannot change the It appears that unlike this lamp we can't change the brightness or anything. Like if I take out this lamp right here, this one isn't as adjustable. Well, actually it is adjustable, but this one I can change the brightness on the modes and such. This one doesn't, but I can't wirelessly charge on here, which makes it cool. Please subscribe, like, share, and please check out my socials. Links in the description. Please check out my website, and this is the lamp. I'll probably provide a buy link in the description. And peace out.